My friends, you're one step closer to your exciting encounter with the Guardians of the Galaxy.
That'll even fun.
You are now standing in my private office.
I know.
Where I
Carefully scrutinize each and every beast that comes to me from different parts of the galaxy let's you this guy. Hearing your excessive slandering on a constant loop was big motivation for me to escape. I go, ouch! Ow! Oh, but that was not part of the plan. What? Of course I escaped. For those of you who have not been paying attention, the name's Rocket, one of the Guardians of the Galaxy. The smart one. Listen up. He's gonna put you on a gantry lift for your tour. I'm gonna sneak on top of your lift and take us all the way to the big old generator control room. I'm gonna blast that thing and destroy all the control systems, which will open up every cage in this freak show and free my friends. Our buddy Mantis is in the getaway ship waiting for my signal, and then we'll be on our merry way. But this plan won't work unless you help. I don't have clearance. My hands don't scan. Yours do. If you raise your hands, I get the clearance and the chaos begins. It's a foolproof plan. Oh. I'm gonna take this. Now move it. The rocket unplugs you and starts things rocking. Now show me those hands, people. You got clearance. Let's roll. Okay.